Hey guys, Xiaomi launched Xiaomi 14 series last month, Xiaomi 14 and Xiaomi 14 Pro, and the Xiaomi 14 Ultra typically launched the first quarter next year. Yes, Xiaomi very soon to launch Xiaomi 14 Ultra. Xiaomi 14 Ultra comes with 6.67-inch 2K resolution LTPO 120Hz refresh rate OLED display, and the peak brightness is 3000 nits. The phone also comes with quad camera setup in the back. Xiaomi is testing the Sony Lightyear LYT900 camera with a 1-inch sensor size on the upcoming phone. The phone also comes with 50 megapixel ultra wide and 50 megapixel 3x zoom sensor with a micro mode, another 50 megapixel 5x telephoto lens, 32 megapixel front selfie camera. Of course, the phone comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC and 12 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB storage with UFS 4.0. And out of the box, the phone comes with Android 14 with HyperOS, and the phone powered by 5000 mAh battery and is support 120-watt fast charging and 50-watt wireless charging. So that's all about the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, all the leaks and information. If you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this as always. Thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.